Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video shares lofting method. For example, demonstrating how to loft the 111 plane along the 111 vector in FreeCAD, and the 3D visualization and workflow. Create new file. Make sure it's selected part workbench, and create cube. From the data we use default 10 10 10, and from the view tab, display mode, select wireframe. Okay, and go to drift workbench. We create one plane. To do this, choose line and point, this point. Okay, and I choose point. Next, this point and this point. After we choose 3 line and upgrade. First it becomes wire, then becomes face. So input text, use shape from text and put 111 and OK, and then choose text from the display mode, choose text and the data tab, and map mode deactivated. We choose this plane and this. Okay, and we adjust this text size, adjust 2, and from attach offset, the position change. Okay, now is the text finish, and we need direction. This direction will be this body diagonal. Click this point and this point. This is body diagonal 1 1 1 direction, and from line view tab, the arrow type end, you choose arrow, and endpoint size 0.5, and line width 5, color change green. Okay, now is 1 1 1 direction is complete, and the final line is 1 point to do lofting. Okay, and back to part workbench. Before that, I just little extrude the text. Select text and extrude 0.1. Okay, and then click on loft, choose face and the point. Okay, now the regular triangular pyramid is completed, and we can make it transparent and clearly seen 1 1 1 direction.